Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, close for weight of your body, settling into the surface beneath you. Now, bring your awareness to the space behind your closed eyes. Notice the darkness there, and within that darkness, you might sense a subtle shimmer, a soft glow, a hint of something waiting to emerge. And desasterversed a tress, and I heard your creative mind, a place where infinite possibilities exist, untouched and ready. And as you breathe in, imagine that each inhalation brings a wave of warmth and relaxation from the crown of your head, down through your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your fingertips. And with each exhalation, you release any tension, any resistance, any doubt that might have gathered there. Feel the breath moving down through your chest, your stomach, your hips, your legs, your feet, grounding you completely. Now, I invite you to recall a moment in your life when you felt truly creative, truly inspired, truly in the flow. It could be a time when you were writing. See what you saw in that moment. Notice the colors, the light, the shapes, the details that made it real. Now, hear the sounds that were present. Just dance moments that, most importantly, feel what you felt in that moment. Feel what you felt in that moment. That surge of excitement, that sense of possibility, that effortless flow where ideas came to you naturally, easily, without force. Numb. Let that feeling grow. Amplify it. Feel it spreading through your chest like a warm golden light. Notice how it radiates outward into your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands, your fingers. This is your creative essence. This is your natural state of inspiration. Now, and now, as you hold this feeling, I want you to create a simple anchor. Bring your thumb and forefinger together gently, just touching. Now. And as you do, breathe into this feeling of creativity and let it intensify. With each breath, this touch becomes a trick. Step 1, deeper relaxation. Step 2, deeper peace. Step 3, deeper access to your creative wellspring. Step 4, a sense of infinite possibility. Step 5, total openness. Step 6, you arrive at a vast, luminous space. This is your inner creative sanctuary, a place where no judgment exists, where every idea is welcome, where inspiration flows like a river. My mind is a fertile garden, and every thought is a seed that grows into a beautiful, unique creation. My mind is a fertile garden, and every thought is a seed that grows into a beautiful, unique creation. My mind is a fertile garden, and every thought is a seed that grows into a beautiful, unique creation. My mind is a fertile garden, and every thought is a seed that grows into a beautiful, unique creation. I trust the flow of my imagination. My mind is a fertile garden, and every thought is a seed that grows into a beautiful, unique creation. I trust the flow of my imagination. It moves through me effortlessly, like a river finding its way to the sea. I do not force ideas. I allow them to arise naturally, fully formed, and ready to be expressed. Now, every moment is an opportunity for innovation. My creative energy is a doorway to a new perspective. I trust the flow of my imagination, and my toe does not run out. It does not diminish. It only grows stronger with each use. The more I create, the more I have to give. The more I express, the more I discover. I am connected to a vast network of inspiration that spans all of time and space. Their wisdom blir around. Every actist in Nofo Pratat submarned Scrid and Manu. Their Christos with this verloofde he's foreign mind, little exparted soke, as birth, the tide half grows, toverviding bestored Bali. Way, stored stay DB, caged bats hearts, the plightia play. And now, I invite you to feel a gentle warmth spreading from the center of your chest. This warmth is your creative fire. It is alive. It is vibrant. It is ready to ignite. Followed. Fight every dollary dots ever was sure dots eye. Stage by with the Saju upstored. Your creative fire. It is alive. It is vibrant. It is ready to ignite. Bestored, fied, shored, store, besed, hoft him, past. Glow, holu, half disballad. Little stored, ballad. Brinta creative energy. With on hearth, involving bide wearab stored. Why, Affirmation to create what? It illuminates your mind, clearing away any fog, any doubt, any hesitation. And as you exhale, you release any fear of judgment, any fear of failure, any fear of not being enough. You are enough. You have always been enough. Your creativity is not something you need to earn or prove. It is your birthright. It is the very essence of who you are. Now, bring your... And with this anchor, you can return to this state anytime you wish. Now, for finger together, take a deep breath, and you are here again, fully connected to your creative source. Now, release the touch, but keep the state, and imagine a blank canvas before you. It could be a literal canvas, a page, a screen, or simply the space of your mind. And as you look at it, you feel no pressure, only excitement. This blankness is not emptiness. It is potential. It is the beginning of something beautiful. And now, see a single color appear on the canvas. It is the color of your first idea. Let it be whatever it wants to be. Watch as it spreads, morphs, and dances into new shapes. And there is no right or wrong here. Only exploration, only play, only joy. Your creativity is playful. It is curious. It is fearless. And as you allow yourself to play, you discover ideas you never knew existed. Now they come to you in whispers, in images, in feelings, in sudden flashes of insight. And you trust them, you welcome them, you give them space to grow. Now, imagine a future version of yourself, fully living in your creative power. Notice them creating effortlessly, sharing boldly, inspiring others, and notice how they move through the world with confidence and ease. Notice the joy in their eyes, the passion in their voice, the light in their presence. This version of you is not separate from you. They are you right now in this moment. You are already that person. You are simply remembering. And as you breathe in, draw that future self into your present body. Feel their energy merge with yours. Feel their confidence become your confidence. Feel their creativity become your creativity. You are whole. You are complete. You are ready